Welcome. In today's class, we are going to talk about understanding affiliate marketing. I'm going to be showing you about the Nigerian opportunities and the global opportunities, the Pan African opportunities here. So let's get straight into business. Affiliate marketing. What is the affiliate marketing exactly? I'm going to drop the simple truth about affiliate marketing in this video. Number one, this is just what you need to understand about affiliate marketing. It's all about recommending products. You're going to share products you believe in created by others. Number two, you earn commissions. You get paid a percentage for every sale made through your unique link. Number three, you don't need to create anything. You don't need to, write anything. All you just need is to depend on what others have created. Number four, zero delivery stress. The merchant handles everything's logistic, customer care, cost delivery, and accountability, mentorship, and all that. You just want to do it for your own because you love people and all. So this is what you need to know about affiliate marketing. You recommend product, earn commission, no product creation, and zero delivery stress. Let's go straight to how affiliate marketing works. Number one, the creator creates, you affiliate, and the customer buys. This is just the three-step process in affiliate marketing. So there's a clear process in this. So why it works? Number one, why affiliate marketing works? Businesses need sales. Companies are constantly looking for effective ways to reach more customers and increase their revenue. So you as an affiliates have audience, or they create an audience, or they build audience. You have the reach, influence, and maybe you have content platform of you have the connect of buyers with you have the connect of product with potential buyers. You understand? So you're the affiliate. Then the next thing is partnership. The affiliate marketing bridge. The affiliate marketing bridges this gap by creating a performance-based collaboration that benefits everyone. Now, the partnership is the commission. What is the commission? What are they offering when somebody buys through your link? So this is how affiliate marketing works. And this is why affiliate marketing will never die, because businesses need sale, you have the audience, and there's a partnership. So let's go straight into your role as an affiliate marketer. Now, if you want to start affiliate marketing, what you need to do is to pick a niche, identify an area that you are passionate about or knowledgeable about: health, finance, tech. Number two, choose a profitable product. Select high quality product that genuinely solves problem for your chosen audience. Number three, promote through content. Create valuable content, reviews, tutorials, guide on platforms like social media, blogs, or emails. Number four, collect commissions. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn your share. Simple as that. So Nigerian opportunities, homegrown advantage. Let me give you the opportunities of you doing affiliate marketing in Nigeria. You have a homegrown advantage. Now, if you're listening to this or you're watching this and your video is slanted, if your video is on portrait mode, you can just put it on landscape mode so that you can actually see clearly, because the fonts are going to be smaller here, but it's very intentional because I want to explain a lot of things. So the Nigerian opportunities. First, I would like to show you the platforms of affiliate marketing. Number one, the platforms you have: Expartner, Seller, you have DD designed for Nigerian markets. Now, easy payments, get paid in naira directly, simplifying your financial transaction, and traffic is free because we leverage basically on WhatsApp, Telegram, and other social media for organic reach. You can do this one. Now let's go straight to global opportunities. Global opportunities we have: you can unlock dollar innings by number one, ClickBanks, affiliating for ClickBanks, Warrior Plus, CJ affiliates, and all those stuff. Now dollar payment you earn in foreign currency, it benefits you. And evergreen niches, you can tap into universal niches like the same thing I mentioned: health, wealth, technology, and all that. So let me tell you what affiliate marketing is not. Affiliate marketing is not a Ponzi scheme. It's a legitimate business model, not a deceptive pyramid scheme. Number two, not spamming links. Affiliate marketing success doesn't come from providing value. It doesn't come. Success comes from providing value, not bombarding people with links. Number three, it is not a get rich quick scheme. It requires consistent effort, learning, and strategic implementation. Number four, not money, not money work. Not money without, you cannot get money without work. Like any other business, it demands dedication and a commitment to growth. So that is it. So you can't just wake up in the morning and say you want to make money with affiliate marketing. It's not work unless you like put in the work. And I'm going to be showing you the work you're going to be putting in eventually. Now, the real potentials, your digital future, the real potential, affiliate marketing offers the chance to build a scalable digital income stream, moving beyond just traditional limitation, like a 9 to 5. You can scale you can scale to a 6 to 7 figure monthly income. Your earning potential is just tied to your effort. It's not tied to your 9 to 5 job. It's not tied to like a fixed salary. Number two, freedom and flexibility. You can just build system that works for you. You can free up time. You know, building system that will work for you can help you just free up time, because you can be doing something, discussing with someone, and somebody just buys your product. So this is just it. I just said let me use this particular video to explain what affiliate marketing really is to you. I hope you've gotten value from this one. So let's get down into the next one. I think that is where practical starts.